Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Windows version and that you have administrator rights. This avoids permission errors later. Once done, open Settings with Win+I and search for Developer Mode if you plan to install WSL or third-party shells. Make a clear choice now. Use the built-in command prompt, PowerShell, Windows Terminal app, or WSL for Linux shells, because each option changes the installation and configuration steps you'll follow next. You'll install or enable the terminal you picked. If using Windows Terminal, run the Microsoft Store or type Winget install Microsoft. Windows Terminal, that gives multiple tabs and GPU rendering. For WSL, run WSL install in an elevated PowerShell and pick a Linux distro. This gives a genuine Bash environment. Make sure to customize profiles and set your default shell so new windows open how you prefer, and adjust fonts and color schemes for readability. Now launch your terminal using the Start menu, Win+X, or a keyboard shortcut you set. Then run basic commands like dir or ls and check versions with pwsh version or wsl-lv to confirm everything works. If something fails, don't panic. Make sure path entries are correct, rerun installs as administrator, and update Windows to the latest build. If issues persist, reset the terminal app, reinstall the distro, and verify developer mode and virtualization are enabled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.